Fans, welcome back to my kitchen, and welcome if you are new. It's your girl Tanika. So I come up with this chopper fans thing because I have a fan and I don't have any covering, so they always tease me about it, so I come up with it. So let me know if you like it or not. So today I'm in the kitchen. I'm going to be preparing some hominy corn porridge. So I have the hominy corn here. It's 800 grams. I put the pound on the screen. I have some cinnamon leaves here, and the sugar is also in there. So it was soaking for approximately 15 minutes, so the corn could absorb some of the sweetness and it would be easier to cook. So as you all know, I love my pressure cooker pot, so I'm going to cook it in the pressure cooker. So the stove is on. As I said before, I have the corn, water, sugar, and cinnamon leaves in there. So the cinnamon leaves is to give an aromatic scent and a delicious taste to the porridge. So I'm going to cover the pressure cooker pot, and remember, do not open your pressure cooker pot until it has cooled. So I'm going to put on the cover now, and I'll get back to you when I turn off the stove to check on the corn. Share, comment, and subscribe. The chopper fans I'm talking about. Do not attempt to open the pot while this is spinning or when it's making the sound. When I turn off the pot, when I turn off the stove, ensure that the pot has cooled and it's made a click sound to show that it is safe to open the pot.
Now I'm adding a sachet of coconut milk powder. It's up to you if you want to use this or canned coconut milk or natural squeezed coconut milk. So this is to add to a creamy consistency and also a creamy taste. Now I'm about to leave this to boil for about 10 minutes. Here I have vanilla lasco, which is also soy milk. Feel free to use your lasco, use what you have, honey. I have salt, grated nutmeg, mixed spice for baking, sugar, and also some vanilla extract. These are what I'll be using to sweeten and spice up the porridge. Now I'm about to add them all to a bowl and combine them using room temperature water. This is counter flour. I'm going to combine it with water, room temperature water. I'm about to make a roux, just a simple one. It's going to thicken the porridge. You can also use cornstarch if you wish, but I prefer to use this. After adding everything, give it a good stir to ensure that the corn isn't sticking to the bottom of the pot, and leave it uncovered to boil for approximately 15 minutes. I'm adding more sugar to sweeten to my liking. Remember, you can tweak my recipes to make them to your liking. This is how I like my porridge. Don't forget your Betty milk, Betty milk. So this is sweetened condensed milk for all of my non-Jamaican viewers. This is used to sweeten your porridge and give it that nice flavor. Remember to stir occasionally so that your corn does not stick to the bottom of the pot. Leave this to boil for approximately 5 minutes and then you're done. Just look at that rich, thick, creamy goodness. I could not wait. I had to share out some. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. I hope my video helped someone. Until next time.
Your boy upside down.
Good. I'm gonna use the Betty milk, see the Betty milk. You know, I want to say, I blow two sides and blow your clothes.